What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dustin here, coming at you with another video. I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, so bear with me. But we got an unboxing video today, so without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what we got here. Looks like our exhaust finally came in. Got our clamps here. And let's see what we're looking like. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look at that. Empire exhaust. It's going on a 2012 Can-Am Outlander. We got the dual exhaust as well, so it's going to be stacked. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Would you just look at that? Currently have HMF on the bike. Just a slip on, nothing too crazy. I've heard a lot of good things about Empire exhaust, and we're gonna give it a try. Stay tuned for the next video.